Hi everybody, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm showing you how I put my eyes on my plushies. These are knitted on the Addy knit machine. All it is a ball, and then you make the ears. I'll show you how I put this on here. And then I did this hot pink color one. That's a hot pink one. And then I got this blue one, and I use this here, the puffy paint, to do the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And I got a bigger bottle. They come in bigger bottles. It's a tulip. You can use either tulip slick or you can use this puffy paint. I just guess about where I'm going to put it. I'm going to make it about right here. Just put it on and make your eyes. I'll try to make them about the same, instead of putting the safety eyes. And this is better for children. And then try to make it like even in the count your stitches. About like that. You don't have to be perfect. No, mine don't have to be perfect anyway. And then I make this little piece down the middle. And make your little mouth. And be about like that. And you can take your heat gun and dry it, or you can let it dry overnight. Doesn't that look cute? I do it like that. I made different color ones. I made like this orange looking color one. I made a red one. Some people want it red. And what you can do is just count your stitches, like I said. Just let it dry overnight, or and do your nose. They don't have to be all the same. They don't have to be all the same. You want to add lashes or whatever, you can do that. I need got little skimpy spots here. And this would be more safe for if you're going to give it to a child instead of using the safety eyes, because sometimes they come out. Yep, sometimes they come out. And just let them set overnight. These are really cute. You can make the eyes bigger, but I'm not going to make them that big. I think this is almost done. You can embroider them, but I like to use this puffy paint. It seems like it's so much easier. To me, anyway. Yep, this is so much easier for me. The paint. The puff paint. I don't know, this is like a purple, like a grape. I'm just trying to figure out what color eyes I can put on this where to show. That black ain't going to show on this purple. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see what colors I got. I got white. Maybe use white. So you can get them in all different colors. I got all these different colors. Light green. I got blue. I got yellow. I got purple. I'll put them in there. So maybe I might use the white because you'll be able to see the white better on this purple. Yeah, if you got a dark color, you can't use black. Okay. Let's see if this white will come out. It might be dried up. I might have to get the other one. This I think is a new one. A new one I bought. This one I don't even think's been open. No. Let me see if I can get the eyes. Whoop. That's got a lot. I squeeze a lot out of there. I gotta get this right because I ain't got it. And yeah, you just gotta get it right. Don't. I got them a little far apart. Okay, that one looks okay. If I don't like it, then I'll just go over to black with it. But this is purple. I don't know if the black would show on the purple. So that's about how I do my eyes for my bunnies and my plushy toys. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye bye.